monitor this weather pattern that continues to just won't leave the West Coast alone. We do start to see some model runs starting to suggest that's really going to start impacting a lot of the other parts of the country. As we take a look at this larger look at the European model, we do see a low pressure system moving across the central portions into Midwest area there. That is going to bring our next snowstorm system to Indiana, Michigan, Ohio area. Then as we watch that next low pressure system that comes across the Rockies there, that will bring us just a slight chance of seeing some moisture come through the South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa area there. Right now, the latest model is having it suggest as a mixed precipitation, as that does come across our neck of the woods there in the South Dakota, Iowa, and Minnesota area. Now, as we do continue to watch, that'll continue to progress its way eastward, and then as it goes across the Great Lakes there, that will regain strength and really start to impact as that next low pressure system comes across, really start to impact not only Illinois, Indiana, Michigan with a heavy snow system. That'll continue to progress its way eastward, and another monster storm system for the eastern coast of the United States is going to move through that neck of the woods. As we do continue to watch this model run, continue to watch out west there as we continue to see the amount of moisture that is going through the West Coast. As that does continue to progress there, we do start to watch for another system that is starting to form over the Montana and into North Dakota and northern Minnesota, bringing South Dakota, northern portions of South Dakota, a snowstorm as well, coming into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So definitely something that we are going to keep a close eye on as things really start to form and come continuous. So now we are about that 180-hour mark out, so things are going to change, but we do still see that substantial amount of snow that is going to dump over the Dakotas and into Minnesota there. We do see another storm system start to fire across the Rockies. That quickly dies off and becomes a moisture-filled rain system as it moves across the southern portions of the Midwest. Just look at how large that storm system is as it does move across the region there. As we do see some of those bands are going to be the heavy bands. Definitely a lot of moisture is going to be in that as well. We continue to watch western portions of the United States as they continue to get a substantial amount of snow and moisture out there. Stay with T-Storm Chasers as we continue.